We all know what the hard drive is, and we all know it does not plug into the motherboard directly. It uses a SATA data cable from the motherboard and a power cable from the power supply. The actual hard drive connects to the case in two primary ways. It can attach into a metal bracket with screws, or it can attach in a plastic drive bay using no screws. For this method, we will be using screws. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Remove both of the side panels. As you can see, my associate Jacob is doing this right now. Step 2. Make sure you remove all loose clothing and jewelry, and make sure to ground yourself against the case. Step 3. Remove your hard drive from the anti-static bag and slide it into the metal bracket with ease. Step 4. Screw the screws into the metal bracket and then connect your SATA data and power cables to the hard drive. And for step 5, you're going to want to reattach both of the side panels. Thank you for watching this exciting video on the installation of a hard drive. Jacob and I worked quite hard on it.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.